Hi guys, my name is Msizi and welcome to the channel. Just before we get started with the video, I thought it would be a good idea to give a bit of a description about what the channel is all about. Basically, we're starting a woodworking business from scratch, or more accurately, we're restarting our business from scratch, rebranding and doing things all over again. And the idea was to take you guys along with the journey, so the ups, the downs, and everything in between, as well as being as fully transparent as possible. So I hope you enjoy the video. As always, I hope you like and subscribe. So this was the new space. New space, got a mezzanine floor, and the idea with this space was to try and separate some of the work we do, so that we're able to just get a bit more space, because things are getting a bit congested on the other side. And so what I was hoping to achieve with this space was, I guess, the plan for this space was to try to get some shelving up here on this side, because one of the things I struggle with is actually finding space for everything, all the tools and whatnot, and things end up just becoming a mess and lying all over the place. So the idea is to get some shelving here, possibly plonk the CNC machine here. That way there should be enough space to walk around and whatnot, and there shouldn't really be anything disturbing the CNC machine. And then when we move further out underneath the mezzanine, so here the idea is to have like a metal working station, so like welding, cutting of steel, and all that sort of stuff. Just do that around here. And then on the other side, I'm just trying to find a space to paint. So I think we'll try to put up a makeshift spray booth of sorts, so that we're able to paint, and hopefully that should give us some more room to work with, help us to work smartly, maximize, and yeah, get the most out of our day. And then up top this is where we're hoping to store ready-made products. So if something's already made, just store it up here up top, because next door it's the same situation, except that side we use the mezzanine to store any bits of wood, MDF, steel. Basically it's all around storage that side. Yeah. So carrying on with the setup of the second workshop, today's mission, or main objective, was setting up a welding station. The idea behind the welding station was from a YouTube video I watched a couple of days back about setting up a small DIY, budget-friendly welding station, because the others they're not very practical if you're working on a budget. So that's what today's mission was. I already cut some of the steel yesterday, and there's just a few more cuts left, and then we should get to welding, and we'll be done. And now we have these bad boys. So these 24 pieces will be the slats that will serve as like the tabletop, and those guys are the spaces for the legs, which are there. So there will be spaces for these legs, and then these guys will just be like somewhere in the middle. But yeah,